In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Mailchimp. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or simply want to enhance your email marketing strategy, this seamless connection will allow you to transfer valuable form data directly to your Mailchimp lists. Let's dive right in and explore how you can set this up effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Typeform account. Once logged in, navigate to the specific form you wish to connect with Mailchimp. You'll find a Connect button at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to accessing the numerous integrations Typeform offers, including the one with Mailchimp. Next, it's time to add Mailchimp to your form. Simply search for Mailchimp in the list of available integrations and click on Connect Mailchimp. At this point, you'll need to log in using your Mailchimp credentials. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection, which is a crucial step in ensuring the data flows securely between the two platforms. Once authorized, you'll move on to mapping fields, a vital step for ensuring that the right data points are transferred. Here, you'll select the Mailchimp audience or list you want your contacts added to. Make sure to carefully match the fields from your Typeform, such as name, email, and phone, to the corresponding fields in Mailchimp. This mapping ensures the data lands exactly where you expect it to. Additionally, if you'd like, you can add tags to categorize the incoming contacts, or even update existing groups or segments within your Mailchimp audience. This optional step can significantly enhance how you manage your audience segmentation. Now, with everything set up, it's time to activate the integration. Toggle the switch to turn the integration on. This step signifies that your form is now live and ready to send data over to Mailchimp. However, it's always wise to test your setup. Submit a test entry through your Typeform and then check your Mailchimp account to see if the contact appears in the designated audience. Navigate to the audience section within Mailchimp, and if everything is aligned, you'll see your test contact listed there. And there you have it, a complete integration between Typeform and Mailchimp. This setup is perfect for automating the way you collect and use your customer data, leading to more effective marketing strategies. With your systems now connected, you can enjoy the streamlined process of gathering leads and enhancing your email marketing campaigns. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll be able to leverage this integration for your own needs. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.